Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are doing good. If you are new on my channel, please do subscribe first. So here we have few questions. Pause the video, try it yourself and come back when you are done. Right? Okay, let's see what's the question number 1. He likes walking blank the rain. In the rain, under the rain. So what do you think is the right answer? Here he is walking and it's raining. Okay, as you see, the rain is surrounding him. The rain is surrounding him from all the directions. Okay, so he is in the rain. He is in the rain. Under the rain is incorrect because it indicates that it only rains above him. It doesn't go down. It only rains above him. Are you getting my points? So, in is the correct answer. He likes walking in the rain. Next question. It started blank at 3 a.m. The key word here is started. Whenever you have words like start, begin, love, like, hate, all these are followed by to plus verb, base verb, or verb plus ing. Both are right. Okay, so here we have to rain and raining. Both are right. So you can write to rain, or even you can say raining. It started raining at 3 a.m. Next, the United States blank located in North America is or are. What do you think? So here you have United States. So it looks like plural, right? So you might think R is the correct answer. Right? But because it's a name of a country, United States is a name of a country. It's one country. One country, so we use S here. Similarly, all the countries that ends in S follows the same rule, like you have Philippines, Netherlands, Maldives. These are singulars. So it takes singular verb. So the right answer is. The United States is located in North America. Next, the Maldives. Blank stunning beaches. So again, you have the country with S. You have the country with S. As I told you, so it looks plural, but it's one country, right? So it's singular. Some subject, singular subject, isn't it? And singular subject takes has. If you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. Do subscribe, share, comment.